And so, a history class is comprised of 10 females and 3 males. The instructor of the class randomly chooses 5 students from the class for an oral exam. What is the probability that 3 female students and 2 male students will be selected? So, we are going to use combinations here when we figure this out because the order doesn't matter. And so first of all, we're going to figure out the combination for the females. We have 10 females and we want to find the probability of that 3 of them are selected. So we're going to do a combination of 10, choosing 3 at a time. Remember how to put that in your calculator. $120, okay. I'm just going to put it beside that. Now we are going to multiply that by the boys. For the boys, we have 3 male students and we want to choose 2 of them. So we have a combination of 3 choosing 2. If I do that, I'm going to just get do 3 choosing 2.
3.
I'm going to get 3 because the 2 factorial would cancel out on the bottom. That means on the top of my fraction I have 120 times 3, which would be 360 possible ways. Now on the bottom of my fraction I have to have the total number of outcomes. So on the bottom fraction we have a total of 13 students to choose from. And we're picking 3 plus 2, so 5 altogether. $1,287. Again, we are going to write our answer to 3 decimal places. So now we're going to take our 360 divided by our 1,287 and then round it off to 3 decimal places.
2.280.
Yep, and then we'll put the 0 there just to show that they went to 3 places. So we found the combination of the first event times the combination of the second event, and we on the bottom did the combination of the total that we had. So on number 11, we have an urn that contains 10 orange balls and 9 red balls. If Tim chooses 15 balls at random from the urn, what is the probability he will select 9 orange balls and 6 red balls? So if I'm going to get 9 orange balls, I'm going to do a combination of
Probably
10 total orange balls, and I want to get 9.
Yeah.
Yep, I want to get 9 of them. And if I do that, I get 10. I'm going to multiply it by my probability for my red. For my red, I'm going to do a combination of 9 red balls, and I'm going to take 6 at a time, so I would end up with 84. 10 times 84 gives me 840 on the top, right? On the bottom, I want my total combination. The total amount of balls I had was
10 or
19, and I'm going to take 15 of them, right? I had 19 balls altogether. I'm going to choose 15 of them. So if I do that on my calculator,
3,876.
3,876. So then we're going to take our 840 divided by our 3,876 and round it off to 3 decimal places.
0.217.
Exactly, 0.217. Number 12, same kind of thing there. A history class is comprised of 3 females and 5 males. If the instructor of the class randomly chooses 6 students from the class for an oral exam, what is the probability that 2 female students and 4 male students will be selected? So if we start with our female students, we would have
Wait.
a combination of how many total females?
2.
The total females?
Oh,
3, and we're going to choose 2 of them. There's 3 altogether, we're going to pick 2 of them, which would give me 3. And then for our males, we're going to have a combination of 5, and we're selecting 4, which gives me 5. 3 times 5 means we have 15 total ways of getting our 2 females and our 4 males. Now we have to do the total of the group altogether. So we're going to have a combination of how many students do we have altogether? 8, and we're going to choose 6 of them, right?
Twenty.
28. And so 15 divided by 28 would give us what to 3 decimal places?
0.536.
0.536, exactly. All right.